In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Zoho Mail. If you spend a lot of time reading and replying to emails, switching to a darker theme can really help reduce eye strain, especially at night or in low light environments. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Mail. You can do this by typing the Zoho Mail address into the browser's address bar, or by using a bookmark if you already have one saved. Make sure you're signed into your account so that any changes you make to the appearance are applied to the correct profile. Once your inbox is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the settings area. You should see a small gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. Click on that gear icon. This will open up a panel or a page with different options that allow you to customize how Zoho Mail works and looks. From there, you'll want to locate the section called System. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a tab on the left side or as an option in the main settings list. Go ahead and click on System. This area controls general behavior and appearance settings for your Zoho Mail interface. Inside the system settings, look for a subsection called Appearances. This is where you can control how your Zoho Mail interface looks, including themes and color modes. Click on Appearances to open the appearance customization options. Now, in the Appearances section, you should see an option labeled Night Mode, or something similar that clearly indicates the dark theme. This is Zoho Mail's version of dark mode. Click on Night Mode. When you do this, your interface should immediately switch from a light background to a darker one. You'll notice that your inbox, folders, and message view all update to the new dark theme. Take a moment to scroll through your inbox and open a couple of emails to make sure everything looks comfortable for you. If at any point you decide you prefer the original look, you can come back to the same Appearances section and switch back to the default or light mode. That's all you need to do. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Zoho Mail, making your email experience easier on your eyes and a bit more stylish at the same time.